Hello guys, and welcome to another video on XML. And in this video I'm going to show you how we can extract information of an XML file from another web page or website, okay? Like a news site, for example, CNN, or some other examples, or some other type of website like tutorials or something like that. And we do that using RSS feeds, okay? I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already heard about RSS feeds. RSS feeds is basically a service where you have at your disposal in a bunch of websites an XML file to extract information from, okay? And normally we can extract from that XML file, we can extract either news feeds, okay, or tutorials or books or CDs or whatever information that site gives you, okay? So in this tutorial, or in this project, because this is the final project of XML, so we will learn RSS feeds and how to extract information from a website with through his own XML file. This is going to be a very simple project, okay? We will do this project maybe in this video only, one video or maybe two videos. So let's start. First thing we have to do is create an HTML web page, and it's going to be our web page. And in this web page, I'm gonna call using some PHP and the simple XML PHP function, okay, that we learned in the last few videos. I'm gonna call or load an XML file from CNN, for example, and show output in our web page the latest news, okay, for example. So let's proceed. HTML head, and obviously body, and let's close HTML, okay? Now in here, inside body, I'm gonna open PHP, and here, let's save the file for now. Save as, save it in your htdocs. So I'm gonna save XML test.php. Let's close PHP tags, and in here let's create a function get feed, and let's give a parameter which is going to be URL, and open curly braces, and inside this let's create our simple XML XML load file, okay? And you remember that what this simple function does is to create an object of the XML file itself, okay? And this will save you a lot of time, okay? Remember that using JavaScript, the whole code that we had to do to output an XML file. So using PHP, this is you'll save a lot of code using the simple XML load file function. So now in here is where we put the XML file itself, where we call it. But I'm gonna type here URL because this is the parameter where we later where we will put later on the URL to get the XML file itself, okay? So now we have the the file itself, the XML file or the URL saved in X variable. And now I'm going to type here is echo UL tag, because I'm going to list the files, sorry, the feeds. And now what we have to do is a for each loop, and this for each loop is going to be X, and this is where we access the tags inside the XML that we want to output. So channel item as entry, and now in here we type echo li ahref equals and entry link. Now we type title equals entry and title, and here this, and concatenate now entry title, and now let's close the A tag and the LI tag. And now in here, echo UL, close unordered list. And now we can call echo, let's type echo, and here we can type get, get feed, and between the parentheses we will type an HTTP, and now I'm going to show you how to get an RSS XML file. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, let's go and open the browser, Google Chrome, and I'm going to try to get the news of an XML file of news of CNN. So let's type here CNN RSS feed. There it is. And here it is, the first one. Click it. And here it is. Service RSS. All major websites have this service. Okay, guys? So that's how you see some websites out there with some related news from CNN or some other site. So here it is. You have top stories. This is the link for top stories to the XML file. This is the world, Africa. Okay, you can choose whatever you want. I'm gonna click in here, the first one, top stories. And if I click there, this is, if you click in the right button of your mouse and click view source, you'll get a large XML file. This is the XML file that we will load. Okay, so to do that, we just have to save this URL, copy, and go down here, paste it here. Oops, sorry. Okay, and now let's see if it works, and let's save this. If you guys don't understand this that I did here, what basically I'm doing is to call all the tags, okay, that I want to output in my my web page, okay, the tags of the XML file. And normally I know that there is a title in it because all major XML files from either CNN or some other news website, they use the same tags, okay, for news or something else, okay. So I know that they have a title and channel item, okay. So I'm gonna see if that really works, and let's open the browser here, and I'm gonna open another tab, and here I'm gonna type localhost, and of course I forgot to open and run my XAMPP control panel. Apache running. Okay, here it is, Firefox. Localhost / XML test.php, enter, and there it is. Perfect. Okay, as you see, the output is the last world news from that XML file from CNN, okay, and we have the links for it. So if we click it, we'll go directly to the CNN page with that with those news, okay. Perfect. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. You can use this in your website, and you can use either news sites or I don't know, Amazon has RSS feeds. So all major websites has RSS, okay, you can use it. I think YouTube also has RSS. I think you can use YouTube videos and the comments of the videos in your website if you want to, okay. So that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna do anything more than that, okay. You now know how to output through RSS, using RSS feeds, how to output them into your website using PHP. Okay guys, so see you guys later, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.